All right, hello everybody. All right, so today is when I'm going to be making a tutorial video on how to cancel your Experian membership online, so you can bypass having to call into Experian and try to get through their automated system to reach a live agent. All right, so I'm gonna be saving y'all a little bit of time today. All right, so when you first log into your membership on Experian.com, you're going to want to go to this top right. It's going to be like a circle here. It's going to be a little gray circle, and it's going to have your name's initials. All right, you're going to click on that. It's going to bring up this little box here where it gives you the option to sign out or go to your profile. You're going to click on profile. All right, then it's going to bring up this little this page right here. Right, it's going to say my profile at the top. I've already gone ahead and clicked on my membership for the sake of this video, but when you first click on your initials and go to profile, it's going to have you up here in the personal information. I'm not going to go there because it does have my personal information in there. All right, so yeah, you just want to skip past that and go straight to or click on my membership. All right, it's going to show all your current benefits that you're getting on the membership here. It's also going to show, when you started the membership and if you're, receiving any discounts here. All right. Then it's going to show the current membership that you're on. All right. So when you see all that, you're going to scroll down to the bottom here. All right, where it's going to ask you, do you want to change your Experian Identity Works Premium membership? All right, and you're going to click on this button right here. All right, it's going to say Update Online. All right, it's going to bring up this page where then again it's going to show you the current membership that you're on and another option here if you choose so to select it. But what we're going to be looking for is the free option today. All right, this is the Identity Works Basic. All right, and then you're going to scroll down. All right, and you're just going to click on this select button right here. And when you click on the select button, it's going to put a order in for the basic free membership. All right, so before your next bill date, your membership will switch over to a free one. All right, and you'll still have the score tracking. You'll still get your report and score once a month. You'll also get the score alerts when your credit score increases or decreases, and you'll still be getting the Experian credit monitoring and alerts. All right, so you'll get alerts, when there's a new hard inquiry or a new account added to your credit report, or if um, one of your existing accounts changes in some way, fashion, or form. All right, but yeah, this is the video just to save everybody just a little bit of time and frustration of having to call in and deal with the automated system before you reach a live agent. All right, you have a great day, and I hope this video helps you out.